Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360. In this video we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 30, topic milk and milk products. It consists of 30 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The specific gravity of milk fat at 21 degrees Celsius is options A 0.70, B 0.80, C 0.93, D 0.98. Correct answer C 0.93. Question number 2. The iodine number measures the amount of options A free fatty acids, B saturated fatty acids, C chain length of fatty acids, D unsaturated glycerides. Correct answer D unsaturated glyceride. Question number 3. Milk fat differs from other common fats in having a larger percentage of options A free fatty acids, B saturated fatty acids, C volatile fatty acids, D none of the above. Correct answer C volatile fatty acids. Question number 4. Saponification number of butter fat is options A 190, B 195, C 210, D 231. Correct answer D 231. Question number 5. 10 to 15% more milk is produced with which growth hormones if injected to lactating cows? Options A auxin, B bovine growth hormone, C ethylene, D none of the above. Correct answer B bovine growth hormone. Question number 6. The process to increase in volume caused by whipping air into the ice cream mix during freezing is called options A homogenization, B aging, C overrun, D hardening. Correct answer C overrun. Question number 7. Semi-solid ice cream is placed in a hardening room at a temperature of about options A minus 15 degrees Celsius, B minus 20 degrees Celsius, C minus 34 degrees Celsius, D minus 44 degrees Celsius. Correct answer C minus 34 degrees Celsius. Question number 8. The ice in Swiss cheese are formed by the growth of options A Leuconostoc, B Propionibacterium, C Streptococcus, D Lactobacillus. Correct answer B Propionibacterium. Question number 9. Yogurt contains mixed lactic acid culture containing options A Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, B Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Propionibacterium, C Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Leuconostoc, D none of the above. Correct answer A Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Question number 10. The melting point of milk fat varies normally between options A 32 to 36 degrees Celsius, B 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, C 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, D 26 to 30 degrees Celsius. Correct answer A 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Question number 11. Lactose reduces copper salt to options A cupric oxide, B cuprous oxide, C copper oxide, D none of the above. Correct answer B cuprous oxide. Question number 12. Yellow color of milk fat is due to presence of options A vitamin D, B carotenoids, C calcium, D folic acid. Correct answer B carotenoids. Question number 13. Tests for proper pasteurization are based on the activities of which enzyme? Options A lactase, B diastase, C phosphatase, D catalase. Correct answer C phosphatase. Question number 14. Starch is split by which enzyme? Options A lactase, B diastase, C phosphatase, D catalase. Correct answer B diastase. Question number 15. What is the freezing point of milk? Options A 0 degrees Celsius, B minus 0.55 degrees Celsius, C minus 1 degree Celsius, D minus 1.55 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B minus 0.55 degrees Celsius. Question number 16. What is the average boiling point of milk? Options A 100 to 101 degrees Celsius, B 105 to 110 degrees Celsius, C 115 to 117 degrees Celsius, D 102 to 105 degrees Celsius. Correct answer A 100 to 101 degrees Celsius. Question number 17. What is the average specific gravity of normal whole milk at 16 degrees Celsius? Options A 0.903, B 1.032, C 1.582, D 2.032. Correct answer B 1.032. Question number 18. Which is the predominating organism in dirty utensils of milk? Options A Lactobacillus bulgaricus, B Propionibacterium, C Streptococcus lactis, D all of the above. Correct answer C Streptococcus lactis. Question number 19. Energy value of a food is measured in terms of options A carbohydrates, B fats, C proteins, D calories. Correct answer D calories. Question number 20. The high nutritive value of cheese is due to options A high mineral contents, B high protein contents, C taste and flavor, D all of the above. Correct answer B high protein contents. Question number 21. Legal butter must contain at least what percentage of fat? Options A 70%, B 80%, C 90%, D 95%. Correct answer B 80%. Question number 22. Food value of ice cream depends to a large extent on its options A flavor, B volume, C composition, D none of the above. Correct answer C composition. Question number 23. Chlorine compounds have widespread acceptance in the dairy industry due to options A non-toxicity, B high sanitizing efficiency, C high corrosiveness, D none of the above. Correct answer B high sanitizing efficiency. Question number 24. At what concentration chlorine sanitizing solutions are usually used in the dairy industry? Options A 50 to 100 ppm, B 100 to 200 ppm, C 200 to 500 ppm, D 500 to 800 ppm. Correct answer C 200 to 500 ppm. Question number 25. The process of raising or lowering the percentage of fat in milk or cream to a desired standard is called options A enrichment, B fortification, C standardization, D none of the above. Correct answer C standardization. Question number 26. Buttermilk is a fluid product resulting from the manufacture of options A cheese, B yogurt, C ice cream, D butter. Correct answer D butter. Question number 27. Fatty acids synthesized in mammary gland are options A higher chain fatty acids, B unsaturated fatty acids, C lower chain fatty acids, D medium and lower chain fatty acids. Correct answer C lower chain fatty acids. Question number 28. Most variable constituents of milk is options A proteins, B fat, C lactose, D minerals. Correct answer B fat. Question number 29. Which of the following has largest particle size in milk? Options A lactose, B casein bacillus, C fat globules, D none of these. Correct answer C fat globules. Question number 30. Lactose has water solubility of options A 100%, B 50%, C 18%, D 25%. Correct answer C 18%. If you have missed out our previous food tech quizzes, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.